Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. Today 9th February 2022. Let me present you the Nifty and Banknifty levels. Today is crucial trading day because RBI is already in meet. Tomorrow, that is 10th February 2022, will have the policy decision. Before I proceed with my video, let me tell my viewers that this video is for educational purpose only. Always use the help of certified investment professional before investing. Now let me give you the levels of Nifty. Now Nifty level, that is closed on the top central pivot, that is at around this level 17,236 was the level where Nifty almost closed, and today SGX Nifty is indicating that we'll have an uptick, around 17,000 sorry 17,300. So if we sustain above 17,240, so that is the top central pivot, we can go up to a level of 17,368, and if this is convincingly broken and forms one or two green candles above it, we can have a level up to 468. Pivot is at 17, you can see a pivot range 17,204. I have marked with the black color. Then the bottom central pivot is 17, so this is the one, 17,176. If it falls below 17,176, then we can expect lower levels. We can expect very low levels, 17,043, that is yesterday's low. If that is broken, then we'll have 16,940. All possibilities are there. Okay, so what is your trading strategy for Nifty today? If it opens higher at around 17,300 levels, if it is staying above 17,368, you can go long for a target of around 17,468. But if it is not able to sustain and it is trading below 17,176, even it can touch yesterday's low of 1743, and if that is broken, it can go as low as 16,940. So that is Nifty for you. Now let me come to Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank is very crucial today because it is reacting to RBI policy tomorrow, and today is the penultimate day before the RBI policy. Now you can see from last maybe 5 sessions. So we have the last 5 sessions. See 1, 2, 3, 4, and today's pivot is based on yesterday. So 5 days. We have pivots, trending lower. Now, what is the today's trading strategy? So now you can see the pivot is at 37,852 and top central pivot is 37,942. If market opens higher above 37,942, it can sustain for a longer time. We have a first resistance 38,395. If it sustains above 38,395, then we'll have second resistance at around 38,752. On the lower side, if it breaks 37,752, 767. Yeah, 767. Yeah, 767. Yeah, we can have lower levels, that is 37,490. So 37,496 is the very strong support. Then if it breaks below this support, that is 37,496, we may go all the way up to 36,953. So what is your strategy for today? Yeah, if the market opens gap up, yeah, if it sustains above 37, so 37,942, we can go long for a target of 38,395. But if markets does not sustain, and if they are trading below 37,767, then we will have lower target of 37,496. So that is one support, and we may go all the way up to 36,953. So this is the bank nifty level. Let me come to very crucial FII and DII data. Yeah, FIIs and DIIs are positioning for the RBI policy. So FIIs were net sellers market here, so net sellers, and it was compensated by DII buying. DII and FII, so both sellers for last 2 days, but yesterday DII turned positive. Yeah, before the RBI policy. Now next important is the option chain. I'll present you. Yeah, you can see in the option chain very important heavy call writing. So 17,300, 17,300. Yeah, you can see 17,300 here. I'll mark it thick. Yes, 17,300. You can see very heavy call writing. Yeah, 1,04,000. So 17,300 is going to be a very strong resistance level. And then on the lower side in the put writing, we can see very heavy put writing at around 17,000. 17,000 will be the very strong support. Yeah, on higher levels we have, next is 1,02,250, that is at 17,400 levels. 17,400 levels. Yeah, that is 1,02,000, 17,400 levels. So 17,300, that is 1,04,000, and on the, so 17,300 and 17,400 are very strong resistances, and we see very heavy call writing at around 17,500. So on the top side very heavy writing is there in calls, but in puts hardly any writing except at 17,000. So you can expect, yeah, market range bound between 17,000 to 17,500, and 17,000 is going to be very crucial, and on the higher side 17,500 is very crucial. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.